Okay, so I looked in the book. They call a stretch, they don't call it a stretch. They just say it's wider or skinnier. They say it's skinnier. So your parabola is getting skinnier. And if that's when the absolute value of A is greater than 1. And then for a compression, a lot of books use these words, then it's getting wider, like somebody squashed your parabola. And that's when the absolute value of A is less than 1. Okay. All right, so we're going to first put up the basic parabola. So I'm going to put the table of values here for the x squared. So negative 2, 4, negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4. So hopefully you're getting used to those numbers. Okay, this is the basic parabola. Now we're going to graph f of x. And so what's going to happen on our table of values, if I use the same x values, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, then I'm going to multiply all of those by a negative 3. So I'm going to get negative 12, which is kind of off my graph paper, negative 3, 0, negative 3, and then finally negative 12. Okay, so I took all of these values, all of those outputs, and I multiplied them by a negative 3, because A is negative 3 here. Now the absolute value of A is 3. And so it's this case. We're expecting a skinnier parabola. But because A is negative, it's going to be upside down. Okay? So let's graph these points then. Negative 2, negative 12. It's going to be like way down here. Negative 1, negative 3. Negative 1, negative 3. Right there. It doesn't want to graph it, because for some reason it just doesn't want to. 0, 0. So it's still going through the origin there. And then I get a point at 1, negative 3. 1, negative 3. And then 2, negative 12. So 2, negative 12. It's like way down there. So it's a real skinny parabola. Like that. It is upside down. That's what we get. Okay, so we'll put it all together in the next video.